Another interesting story that we are following, and a charity chess event involving former world chess champion, five-time former world chess champion Vishwanathan Anand, that raised 10 lakh rupees for COVID relief, has now been overshadowed by a controversy. In fact, this after Nikhil Kamath, who also participated in that event, he's the co-founder of startup firms Zerodha and TrueBeacon, admitted that he had sought help of analysts and computers to beat Vishwanathan Anand in the event that was organized on Sunday. Nikhil then took to Twitter to apologize, saying there was no excuse for what he did. The chess legend replied saying that he expected the rules of the game to be upheld by everyone. Remember, there are several other celebrities who had also participated in this charity event, including Aamir Khan, cricketer Yuzvendra Chahal, and also actor Ritesh Deshmukh. So this is a controversy which has been stoked by a charity chess event involving five-time former world chess champion Vishwanathan Anand. He was in that event apparently beaten by Nikhil Kamath, the co-founder of a startup firm Zerodha and TrueBeacon. However, Nikhil Kamath later admitted that he had in fact sought help in order to beat Vishwanathan Anand. He of course apologized for this, saying that there was no excuse for what he did. Let me go across to my colleague Karishma for this. Karishma, very interesting and bizarre turn of events. Actually, this entire charity event has now snowballed into a controversy because of what happened with Nikhil Kamath and Vishwanathan Anand. Tell us more. Karishma, if you can hear me, I was basically asking you that this charity event, which was actually meant for raising COVID relief fund, has turned into, the story, the headline coming out of it now is that of a controversy because of what happened between Nikhil Kamath and Vishwanathan Anand. Give us more details exactly. What were the comments made with regard to this, and how did Vishwanathan Anand react, and what are some of the reactions we are getting on this story?
Well, yes, absolutely. This particular chess match between Nikhil Kamath and Vishwanathan Anand hasn't gone down well, especially because Nikhil Kamath resorted to unfair means, and in fact, he had computers and robots to analyze the game, and that is how, he won that particular match. But now, in his apology, he has said that he did not realize that a silly mistake could cause confusions like these, and questions were being raised on this charity match, and the apology, like I said, has come in from Nikhil Kamath, but the netizens and social media are not taking it easy on Nikhil Kamath, because they are saying that this is not the right way to play the game. This cheating shouldn't have been done in the first place. Even if you're playing a charity match, doesn't mean that you can use unfair means to beat Vishwanathan Anand in a game that he is a five-time world champion of. So clearly, Nikhil Kamath, apart from sending out that apology message, has some explaining to do as to why he did that, and it is imperative that Vishwanathan Anand, tweeted clearing his name from this. But charity matches like these will now raise questions, and legends like Vishwanathan Anand will think twice before giving their name and coming on board such examples.
That's right. Karishma, thank you so much for joining us with that.